If you want to safely eject USB flash drive from a POCO F8 Pro or POCO F8 Ultra, then we have two main methods that allow you to do so. For example, we can go to notifications, and you should be able to find the notification about the connected USB device. So you can tap on the notification or on the arrow on the right side, actually, in order to find the eject option. So then you should be able to remove safely the USB device. But if for some reason you don't have the notification, then you want to go to settings, open about phone, and then in here you should be able to open the storage. In the storage you can scroll down a little bit, and then we have the unmount USB device option. And then once we have the confirmation that the device has been unmounted, then you can safely remove the flash drive from the phone. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.